Can we see locked profile on Facebook? You've probably come across a locked profile on Facebook and wondered, is there any legitimate way to see what's behind it? Well, this video is going to give you the honest, complete answer and show you exactly what you can and cannot see on a locked Facebook profile. Welcome back. Today we're covering everything you need to know about Facebook locked profiles in 2026, what they are, what gets hidden, and what you can still legally and legitimately see without being friends with someone. Let's get into it. Step 1. First, understand what a locked profile actually is. Facebook introduced the locked profile feature to give users maximum privacy. When someone locks their profile, their photos, posts, and personal details become hidden from anyone who is not their Facebook friend. This is a deliberate privacy choice made by that person, and Facebook fully enforces it. Step 2. Here is what you can still see on a locked profile even without being friends. You can see their profile picture, their cover photo, their name, and any public posts they have intentionally shared with everyone. That is the extent of what is visible to non-friends. Step 3. Here is what you cannot see on a locked profile without sending a friend request and being accepted. You cannot see their full photo albums, their tagged photos, their stories, their friends list, their personal information like location or workplace, or any posts set to friends only. Step 4. To see if someone has a locked profile, simply visit their profile page. If you see a small lock icon near their profile or a notice that says this profile is locked, you are confirmed to be viewing a restricted profile. Step 5. The only legitimate way to see a locked profile fully is to send them a friend request and wait for them to accept it. Once they accept, their full profile becomes visible to you based on whatever additional privacy settings they have personally chosen. Step 6. Make sure your own friend request is genuine and your profile looks trustworthy before sending. A complete profile with a real photo and mutual friends significantly increases the chance of your request being accepted. Pro tip: if you're trying to reconnect with someone who has a locked profile, try reaching out through Facebook Messenger if their messaging is still open to the public. A polite, genuine message explaining who you are is far more effective than simply sending a cold friend request to a stranger with a locked profile. And there you have it, the complete and honest answer to whether you can see a locked profile on Facebook in 2026. The short answer is no, not without becoming their friend, and that privacy deserves to be respected. If this video answered your question, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and let me know in the comments, do you have your own Facebook profile locked? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.